In this video, I'm going to reveal the hidden costs of free plugins, especially for e-commerce giants. You have probably seen them, free tools that promise huge results for your online store, but there's actually a trap. They're not really as free as they claim. So stick around because by the end of this, I'll show you how to dodge this trap and introduce you to a smarter way forward with a perfect WordPress e-commerce plugin that is self-hosted and 3x faster than the competitors. Let's break it down step by step. And trust me, this one's worth it. First off, let's start with what I mean by hidden tax. Picture this, you are building your e-commerce site, excited to keep costs low. You hop on the WordPress plugin directory, grab a bunch of free plugins for things like shipping, payments, SEO, or even abandoned cart recovery. They install in seconds and boom, your store looks pro. But there's one thing you need to know. That free level comes with invisible strings attached. These plugins save you some money upfront, but behind the scenes, they slowly drain your time, hurt your performance, and create problems you didn't ask for. Let's talk about the real cost, because this feels like paying a tax you never voted for. Starting with the big one, time. Free plugins often mean DIY everything. They install quickly and seem great at first glance, but getting them to actually work smoothly for your store, that's where the clock starts ticking fast. You spend hours upon hours just trying to make basic things function, configuring settings that don't behave as promised, clearing caches over and over, disabling and re-enabling to test, or chasing down why something suddenly stopped working after a WordPress or plugin update. I remember one time I added a popular free plugin for better product filters. The setup looked straightforward: install, activate, and add to my shop page. But nope, the filters didn't show up right. They conflicted with my theme's layout and sorting broke on my mobile. I burned an entire weekend testing different settings, reading forum threads, watching YouTube tutorials, and eventually giving up instead of adding new products or running ads. I was stuck in troubleshoot mode. Bottom line, your time is money, and this plugin stacks it heavily. Next up, performance drags. Free plugins are great for starters, but they're often bloated with unnecessary features or poorly optimized code. That means slower load times, which Google hates, and even worse for your users. And do you know that a 1 second delay in page speed can drop conversions by 7%? Yeah, that's a serious hit to your e-commerce revenue. Plus, many free ones don't get regular updates, leaving your site vulnerable to bugs or security holes. It's like driving a car with free tires that keep going flat. Eventually, you are paying for tows and repairs. And let's not forget about support, or the lack of it. With free plugins, you are on your own. Community forums can help sometimes, but there's no priority support and no dedicated team. If something breaks during a big sale, you are scrambling, losing sales, and stressing out. Premium options come with real support, but sticking to free means you are indirectly paying with lost revenue and frustration. Oh, I just forget about the scalability. You know what? Free plugins shine for tiny shops, but as you grow, adding products, traffic, or features, they hit the walls. You will end up needing pro versions or add-ons, and suddenly, free isn't free anymore. Those little costs add up fast, turning into hundreds or thousands over time. And again, I call it a hidden escalation tax. Now, don't get me wrong, free plugins have their places for testing ideas or bootstrapping. But if you are serious about your online store, recognizing this hidden tax is key to leveling up. So, what's the fix? Enter FluentCart, a revolutionary solution at WPManageNinja that's changing the game entirely. FluentCart isn't just another plugin. For small to large business owners, it is a complete, performance-focused e-commerce powerhouse. Built to create, manage, sell, it's that simple. And the best part, it comes with a simple yearly flat rate, which is a huge win. FluentCart is built from the ground up for speed. It offers 3x faster order processing and delivers up to 25% more efficiency, without the bloat that slows down traditional setups. Whether you are selling digital products, handling subscriptions, or selling courses, FluentCart gives you everything in one seamless package. A clean dashboard, real-time updates, and zero transaction fees. No more piecing together free plugins that drag your site down. And the best part, it integrates seamlessly with other Fluent plugins, so everything works perfectly with the same ecosystem. FluentCart scales effortlessly as your business grows, with top-notch support from the Ninja team. They have already helped many e-commerce owners to switch and see real results, like lightning fast sites and boosted conversions. If this hidden text has you nooding along, it's time to make the move. Head over to fluentcart.com and check out the special deals. Because why keep paying the tax when you can upgrade to something better? Drop a comment below. Have free plugins ever beaten you? Like and subscribe for more tips on leveling up your WordPress game. And I'll see you in the next one. Stay Ninja.